Earn Amazon gift cards watching videos. Yes, indeed, folks. That's what we'll be taking a look at today. Watching movie trailers, game trailers, app trailers, even politics. So in this video, we'll be covering one website that pays you Amazon gift cards to watch movies, TV game trailers, and web trailers, as I just said. Also, how it works and what you need to get started, how easy it is to get your gift cards, and then we have some bonuses. Make money watching videos online, 6 apps and websites, easy PayPal money, 4 ways to earn free Amazon gift cards, earn $400 PayPal money taking photos and videos from your smartphone, earn $500 when you travel, vacation money indeed, free money watching YouTube videos, get awesome free stuff, and easy free gift cards from your phone. So there's a lot to cover in this video today. Let's get right into it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And hit the like button if you choose to do so. Also, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and all that good stuff. If these methods are not for you, check out my hundreds of other videos as well. Anyways, let's just dive right into this. So this is a website called Volcano, VOLKNO.com. Now there's no app for this at the moment, it's just a web browser, and all you're going to be doing is watching movie trailers, and I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. For $1, you need 1,000 flow points here. They give you flow points, and I'm going to show you exactly what happens, and then I'm going to redeem a gift card here and show you how quick that is. So I'm going to block out the sound and probably some of the video of these movie trailers as I'm doing this. I'm going to fast forward because I'm not going to show the whole trailer while you're doing it. Alright, so I'm going to go to this trailer right here. I'm going to start watching it. So the first round's kind of like a hot or not. You click on hot or not for different scenes in the trailer. The first round you don't get too many points, but that's why you got to keep doing it 3 times in a row. Obviously it's not going to be a full-time job. I usually do this when I'm on a break of doing something, and it's a cool way to see some movie trailers and get Amazon gift cards. So I'm just going to hit hot, hot, hot. You can hit not as well, of course. Doesn't really matter. As I said, I'm going to edit this video so you don't have to watch the whole trailer, but let's just skip to the end here. Okay, so like I said, the first round you get a couple points here. You can make this slider down here, get more points. Next round, this is the emoji round, and you're just gonna do this real quick. You can select different feelings for different parts of the scenes. And again, I'm gonna do this quickly, or edit it rather, because I don't want to watch the whole thing and take up time in this video. So let's just say we're so sad there, that scene. Scared at this scene. And let's just edit to the end of it. Okay, so we get to the end of this round, and basically, this is a TV show, obviously. And we're gonna get our points here. Bounce this around. Get some more points. Maybe do some tags here. Like it, it's okay, interesting, funny, creative. Get a few more points. And next round, you're just gonna tag it. You're just gonna watch the same thing again and just tag it with different things, like I just did on the previous thing there, the tags. So let's say, okay, this is likable, excellent, love it. And you can put your own tags in here as well. And let's just skip to the end of the trailer once more. So there you go. You get 245 points for this round, and you're good to go. Let's go move along here. Now I have 4,575 flow points at the moment. I still need about 500 to get the $5. So let's just do that offline, so I don't have to watch trailers with me. I'll do one more here offline, and we'll just skip ahead to that. Okay, so a few minutes later, I have enough points here, 5,000. I'm just gonna go to the store, and I'm gonna get my Amazon gift card. I'm gonna add this to the cart. I'm going to redeem it, confirm, and my Amazon gift card is in my email. It says in about an hour, but it's usually right there right away. Let's just check it out. Close this. And by the way, you can save up to get 20,000 points. There's $20 gift card, $50 gift card, $100 gift card. They're all the same price, so there's no need to save up. You know, you don't get a discount if you get like 100,000. It's still the same value. So I've done this a bunch of times. I've got a bunch of gift cards already. It's very easy. I'm gonna check my email real quick here, and of course I got my code right here. And then I just copy that code, go into Amazon, or you can just click on the link down here, Amazon-redeem, and you got $5 instantly. Awesome. So pretty cool. So what are these other apps and ways to make money online and stuff like that? Well, I created a playlist of all the other ones I talked about. Make money watching videos online, 6 apps and websites, easy PayPal money. There'll be links to all these other videos down in the description, or you just click on the playlist in the information box right there. 4 easy ways to earn free Amazon gift cards, earn $400 PayPal money, taking photos and videos from your smartphone, earn $500 when you travel, get vacation money, PayPal money, free money watching YouTube videos, get awesome free stuff, easy free gift cards from your phone. And I'll probably add some to this playlist by the time you're watching this, so I don't know when you're watching this video. So check out all these other ways to make make money with videos and get gift cards and PayPal money and all that kind of stuff. It's really cool. That is all for now today, folks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. I make videos about making money online. Check out all these other different ones. And that is all for now. Talk to you soon.